Are you hoping to be able to live a life free of pornography one day? Does your head hit the pillow at night with you saying, I hope tomorrow is different. I hope I can go without porn. I hope I don't slip up. I hope I don't relapse again. When you come onto YouTube and you're searching these videos, are you hoping that you'll find the missing link, that you'll find the secret tip, the strategy that you haven't yet implemented? Are you hoping for these things to happen? Well, if so, brother, I'm going to tell you why this way of thinking, this one word, this feeling, this expectation of a future outcome is in fact the reason that you're still struggling. It is the reason why you haven't been able to break free from your addiction to porn and masturbation. Real quick before we do that, guys, remind you who we are, what we do here. My name is Frank Ritz, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery. And over the last 3 years, we've helped over 2,500 men begin to take back control of their life by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. Also turn those post notifications on. And if you're interested in getting some help and getting some strategies, we have written a free ebook. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm going to link it down there in the first pinned comment below. Guys, I had a mentor in my early 20s when I was coming up in the sales and leadership space. And this mentor gave me a line, gave me a quote that I've taken with me and I've applied it in every single area of my life, whether it's business, whether it's fitness, my pursuits in bodybuilding, but most importantly, the recovery aspect of my life and what we do here with men at Rebuilt Recovery. And it's that hope is not a course of action. When we look up the definition of hope, it's a feeling or an expectation of a desired outcome in the future. So when we hope for something to change in our life, when we hope to be able to overcome pornography, what we've done is we've removed the responsibility from within ourselves that is actually going to be the one that's going to change our life. And what we've done is we've positioned the result outside of us. Because once again, hope is a feeling or expectation of a desired future outcome. So it's a feeling or expectation. What it's not is it's not a course of action. It's not taking responsibility for where you are and where it is you want to get to. So if you want to change your life, if you want to overcome your addiction to pornography, stop hoping for things to change. Because that in itself is slotting you in a victimhood mindset. Because in reality, if it doesn't happen, it wasn't your fault. Because it was a hope, it was a dream of living a life 100% free of pornography. Instead of taking the responsibility that I will overcome my porn addiction. And many times, men, when we begin to understand this language and we begin to understand how subtle changes in the words that we speak and subtle changes in the words that we use towards and about ourselves will radically change our approach. Because now if you say, I'm going to do this, and you put that out there to yourself and to other people, now it's on you to actually produce the outcome. And if you want to step up and you want to be a man of integrity in your life, you will produce that outcome. And in doing so, you'll begin to develop leadership in your life. You'll begin to develop the key masculine traits that are necessary, required to produce a fruitful life. So if you catch yourself hoping for things to change, if you catch yourself saying, I hope tomorrow something is different. I hope I can go the next week. I hope I can go the next 30 days without. If you catch yourself saying these things, what you need to do is you need to change the language that you're using. You need to be very intentional about correcting yourself. We talk a lot about the relationships that we hold within ourselves. So if you can begin to change that language, every time you say the word hope, stop it, correct it, and say, I will do. Not I hope it will. I will produce this outcome in my life. And brother, this mindset, this paradigm shift in how you see yourself and how you see recovery, in my opinion, is the missing ingredient for many of you. So I hope today's video was helpful. I hope it brought a new level of insight into your life. And like I said at the beginning, we have helped at this point close to 3,000 men take back control, reboot and rewire their brain, and step into life that they all knew they were created to live. So that's a 7-step guide, guys. I'm gonna link it down there in the first pinned comment below. But I love you guys. I appreciate it. If this video was helpful and valuable, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Drop us a comment down there below, guys. What issues are you struggling with? What questions that you have? We'd love to get those solved for you here on this channel. The Frank Rich Rebuild Recover. I love you guys. I'll see you on the other side.